Hello everyone, this is me again Raida and welcome to my booktube channel Bookaratri by Raida. So I know I've been MIA and I'm really very sorry for that because last few months, November and December have been really eventful for me in a positive way definitely. So that's why I couldn't upload any new videos and I'm hoping that I'll be regular from now on. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So as you all can see, like I've decorated my background with this Christmas garland and Christmas ornaments. So definitely today's theme is going to be Christmas, romance, love and holidays. So I've bought few books which are based on this holiday themes. But one of this book is not based on the holiday theme because I just had to buy that book. We'll talk about that later. So without further ado, let's see what I've got here. Like I haven't opened the packaging yet, so let's do this together. I can't wait to open this, man. Like I've waited a week to open this. Oh my god, freshly baked books. So the first book I'll be talking about is none other than In a Holidays by Christina Lauren. And Christina Lauren are my the most favorite authors. So this book is about a girl called Meline. She lives with her mom and stepdad. She has a dead-end job and maybe some more complications in her life. But one of the best things about her life is the Christmas holiday she gets to spend with her parents and her parents' friends who are now like her extended family members. And they spend this holiday at a city cabin which is owned by her parents' friends, and everything is going to get messy in this holiday. So later on the last day of the vacation, she gets to know that her parents' friends are selling this cabin. So this will be their last vacation over here, and she was really sad about this. And a drive to the airport when the vacation is done, she was thinking that like what is going to be her true happiness from now on, because she always looked forward to this holiday. And then boom, there might be an accident or something happen and she's on a plane and it's pre-Christmas and she is going to get to leave this weekend over and over again until she gets her true happiness. So the next book I'll be talking about is Scrooged, which is written by Vicky Land and Penelope Ford. So this book contains 3 short stories. One is The Sexy Scrooge, and the second one is The Merry Mistake, and the third one is Kiss Mass in Newark. So I'm not going to be getting into the blurb of these short stories because these are short stories and I don't want to spoil my excitement for these stories. So let's see how this is going to be. So the third book I've bought is A Holiday Lived. So this is written by Corinne Michaels and I love the cover. Like this is so cute. Okay. So I don't know much about this book, but the trope or theme of this book is going to be enemy to lovers, which is kind of exciting, I know. So maybe they're going to be trapped in a lift because of a snowstorm. So let's see how this is going to be for me and for them. So the next book I'll be talking about is not based on holiday theme, but based on paranormal fiction. So this is called Lila by Colin Hoover, and this book contains contemporary romance, thriller and paranormal fiction. I kinda didn't read the blurb because whenever Colin Hoover writes a book, I just go and buy it. I don't care what the book is about because I know whatever she writes, I'm going to end up loving it. So that's why I didn't read the blurb and I don't want to read the blurb. I just want to get into this book. All I can say is I've read Variety and Saint by Colin Hoover, which are some really good pieces of thriller novels. So I guess this is going to be really good. So I just can't wait to dive into this book. So the next book I'll be talking about is Baby It's Cold Outside. Okay, I know right now it's cold outside. Okay, so this book is written by Corinne Michaels and Meline Harlow. So I have no idea what this book is about. I saw that I bought Corinne Michaels A Holiday Lift, so I thought of giving it a try too. So let's see how this is going to be and how old it is, baby. So finally, a novella rather than a novelette or short story. May I present you The Christmas Pact by Vicky Land and Penelope Worth. So this is Kennedy Riley and Riley Kennedy. I know the confusion, right? So because of this confusion, their emails get swiped up, and because of this, whenever Kennedy forwards those emails to Riley, he adds some annoying commentary and unsolicited advices, which is kinda irritating to Riley. Later on, they met on a office holiday party where they get to see each other face to face, and they made a Christmas pact, which is Kennedy is going to take Riley as his wedding date to a wedding, and she is going to take him as a date to her family get together during the holidays. So let's see how this pact is going to end. So the last book I've bought is the shortest book, I guess. It's very teen, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be really cute. So this is The Package by Kay Bromberg. I guess that's what they pronounce it. Okay, so this is Jules, and she is going through a ridiculous, unlucky Christmas week. She recently got dumped by her boyfriend, definitely a jerk, I guess. Okay, and she got fired from her job, so yeah, bad timing. Okay, later on, she got stuck with a handsome guy in an elevator, and their packages get swiped up. So yeah, let's see whether this misfortune accident is going to bring her any fortune during this week or not. So these are the books that I've bought recently to read during my holidays, and I really hope I'm going to enjoy these books a lot. And I won't forget to share my reviews on these books with you guys. So before I take my leave, I want to tell you guys that I know 2020 has been one of the most hardest years of our lives. We have lost a lot. We have been through a lot. So as this year is almost over, I really hope and pray that 2021 will bring a lot of happiness, fortunes and positivity for all of us. So till then, take care, have a safe holiday, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment sections down below that how you're going to spend this holiday and what you're going to read during this holiday. I'll see you guys next year. Till then, take care. Bye bye.